In this video, we'll go through a 20-question quiz featuring the most common aptitude test questions. You will have just 5 seconds per question to answer, simulating real test conditions. After the quiz, I'll break down and explain 3 most common questions in details. My top advice for success: stay focused, try every question yourself, and use this session to sharpen your critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Let's get started. A series of shapes follows a pattern. Which shape should come next? A. Square, B. Triangle, C. Pentagon, D. Hexagon. The correct answer is choice D, hexagon, and here's why. The shapes increase in sides. Triangle has 3 sides, square 4, pentagon 5, and hexagon has 6 sides. Find the one shape that does not belong. A. A square inside the square. B. A triangle inside the square. C. A hexagon inside a hexagon. And D. A pentagon inside a pentagon. The correct answer is choice B, a triangle inside a square. And here's why. All other shapes match their outer shape, and the triangle inside a square is the odd one. Which one of the following 4 objects represent the correct mirror reflection of the given shape? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice A, and here's why. The shape color pattern and shape reflection stay the same only in this choice after the reflection. You're presented with 3 by 3 grid. 2, 4, 8, 3, 6, missing number, 4, 8, 16. Which number should replace the question mark? Choice A, 9, B, 12, C, 18, D, 15. The correct answer is choice B, 12, and here's why. Each number is the double of the previous row. Sarah is taller than Mike, but shorter than Jacob. Mike is taller than Daniel. Who is the tallest? A. Sarah, B. Mike, C. Jacob, and D. Daniel. The correct answer is C. Jacob, and here's why. The correct order of the height is Jacob, Sarah, Mike, and Daniel. Since Jacob is at the top, he is the tallest. If a company increases the price of the product, what is the most likely consequence? A. Demand will increase. B. Demand will decrease. C. Customers will buy more. D. The product will become cheaper. Correct answer is B. Demand will decrease. And here's why. According to the law of supply and demand, if prices go up, demand usually decreases unless the product is a necessity or has no alternatives. What is the missing number in the sequence? 3, 6, 12, 24, missing number, and then 96. Choice A, 36, choice B, 48, choice C, 50, and choice D, 60. The correct answer is choice B, 48, and here's why. Each number in the sequence doubles the previous one. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. 12 by 2 equals 24. 24 by 2, 48, and 48 by 2 is 96. Which of the following flat nets can fold into a cube? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice A, and here's why. Only this choice allows folding into 3D cube. Which of the puzzle combinations fit correctly? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice D, and here's why. It matches edges, colors, and provides shape continuity to make a perfect fit. If you move the highlighted shape 1 square up, 2 right, 1 down, and 3 left on the 5 by 5 grid, where would you end up? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice B, and here's why. Let's make sure you track the movement. 1 up, 2 right, 1 down, and 3 left. A cube is painted on all 6 sides. If it is then cut into 27 equal smaller cubes, how many of those cubes will have exactly 3 red faces? Choice A, 6, choice B, 8, choice C, 12, and choice D, 24. The correct answer is choice B, 8, and here's why. The cubes with 3 red faces are at the 8 corners of the original cube. If it rains, then the ground will be wet. It is not raining. What can be concluded? A. The ground is not wet. B. The ground is wet. C. Nothing can be concluded. D. It is cloudy. Correct answer is C. Nothing can be concluded. And here's why. The statement only guarantees wet ground if it rains, but other factors like sprinklers could also make the ground wet. Dog is to bark as cat is to A. Roar, B. Hiss, C. Meow, and D. Growl. The correct answer is choice C. Meow. A dog barks and a cat meows. Which of the following does not belong? A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Carrot, and D. Mango. The correct answer is choice C. Carrot, and here's why. Carrot is a vegetable, while the others are fruits. A farmer has 17 sheep. All but 9 ran away. How many are left? A. 0, B. 8, C. 9, D. 17. The correct answer here is choice C. 9. All but 9 means that 9 remain. 4 images look similar, but one is an exact copy of the original. Which one? A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is choice B, and here's why. If you compare the large circles, small circles, diamonds, and inside diamond lines, you will find the perfect match. A digital clock shows 3:15. Which analog clock represents this time correctly? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is choice D, and here's why. The hour hand should be slightly past 3, and the minute hand should be exactly at 3, showing 15 minutes. Tom is ranked 7th from the top and 9th from the bottom in the class. How many students are there? A. 15, B. 16, C. 17, D. 18. The correct answer is choice A. 15, and here's why. Total students equals top rank minus 1 in parentheses plus bottom rank, which equals 6 plus 9 and equals 15. Find the missing letter in the sequence. B, D, F, H, and then comes the missing letter, which you need to select out of 4 possible choices. A, I, B, J, C, K, and D, L. The correct answer is choice B, J, and here's why. The letters are skipping 1 alphabet each time. B, then C skipped, D, then E skipped, F, then G skipped, H, and then I skipped, and the last one is J. Guess what? Practicing often can unlock smarter thinking and sharper skills. Take this question as an opportunity to strengthen your cognitive superpowers. You're presented with cool-looking shape. First row in the shape has numbers 2, 3, and 5. Second row has numbers 1, 3, 4, and 7. And then the third row has numbers 2, 1, 3, 4, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select your answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 6, choice B, 7, choice C, 8, and choice D, 9. And just like on a real test, I'll set a timer for you to solve this. Make sure you lock in your answer before timer is up. Let's begin. Time's up. Have you locked in your answer? Now let's go through the solution together. You'll be amazed how simple and logical it is to follow. The first thing you need to do to solve these types of problems is to detect the pattern. And the pattern here is extremely simple. Next number in the same row is calculated as the sum of previous two numbers. Let's look at the example. We will start with the row 1. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's switch to the second row. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And 3 plus 4 equals 7. Let's move to the third row. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And you know what time it is now, right? It's the magic time to calculate the missing number. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And the correct answer here is choice B, 7. But wait, are you ready to practice your skills? Try this question to see how you would do. You're presented with cool-looking shape. First row of the shape has numbers 1, 2, and 3. See the pattern here? Second row has numbers 1, 4, 5, and 9. And the third row has numbers 1, 3, 4, 7. And then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select your answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 8. Choice B, 9. Choice C, 10. And choice D, 11. When you're confident in your answer, post it in comments and I'll share my feedback. Good luck with this fun challenge. Here's something amazing and important for you to know. Regular practice can actually enhance your intelligence and cognitive abilities. So get ready, because this question will give your visualization skills a serious boost. You're presented with amazingly cool looking hexagon. Hexagon has other simple shapes inside. It has lines, it has triangles, it even has something that looks very close to the diamond. And your goal is to determine how many triangles does this hexagon have. Easier said than done, right? Let me show you a few triangles to get you started. Here's 1, here's 2, and here's 3. Well, guess what? You need to keep counting, because final number would be one of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 19, choice B, 14, choice C, 15, and choice D, 16. Remember, we're enhancing your cognitive abilities here to make you smarter. So, just like in a real test, I'll set a timer for you to solve this. Make sure you lock in your answer before timer's up. Let's begin. Time's up. Have you locked in your answer? Now let's go through the solution together, and you will be amazed how simple and logical it is to follow. And obviously, if you find any triangles I might have missed, please make sure to post them in comments. This is how we're gonna solve it. We'll separate the hexagon into 2 areas, the top area and the bottom area. In the first phase, we'll cover all triangles in the top area. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you one triangle that covers both areas, 1 and 2. This would be triangle number 8. And now, let's switch our focus to the bottom area. How many triangles do you see in the bottom area? I see additional 8 triangles. And here they are: 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Do you see any more? Make sure to post your answer in comments. And my answer for this question is choice D, 16. Surprise! Did you know that the secret of getting smarter and improving your cognitive skills lies in regular practice? Let this question take your math skills to the next level. You are presented with the expression, if 4 multiplied in parentheses x minus 1 equals 2x plus 6, then what is the value of x? Your choices for the answers are choice A, 1, choice B, 2, choice C, 3, and choice D, 5. Remember, we're enhancing your cognitive abilities here to make you smarter, so you need to solve it yourself. And just like in the real test, I'll set a timer for you to solve it. Make sure to lock in your answer before timer's up. Let's begin. Time's up. Have you locked in your answer? Now let's go through the solution together, and you will be amazed how simple it is to solve it. We will get to the right answer in 3 simple steps, and then we will validate our solution. Here's step 1. In the first step, we need to expand the left side, and we need to distribute the 4 to both terms inside the parentheses. 4 multiplied by x minus 4 multiplied by 1 equals 2x plus 6. After we simplify, 4x minus 4 equals 2x plus 6. Now let's move the terms together. The objective is we want to get all x terms on one side and constant numbers on the other. Let's subtract 2x from both sides. 4x minus 2x minus 4 equals 6. So 2x minus 4 equals 6, which means that 2x equals 10. And now let's go to step 3. We are ready to solve for x. X equals 10 divided by 2, which means that x equals 5. And now let's validate our solution. Let's use the value x equals 5 and put it into the original expression. Remember, the original expression is 4 multiplied in parentheses x minus 1 equals 2x plus 6. After we substitute x with 5, it will be 4 multiplied 5 minus 1 in parentheses would be equal 2 multiplied by 5 plus 6. 4 by 4 equals 10 plus 6. 16 equals 16. And the correct answer here is choice D, 5. Are you ready for more? Try this question to see how you would do. You're presented with the cool math expression, solving which will dramatically boost your mental math and cognitive skills. You need to determine the value of x in the expression 3 plus 3 divided by 1/3 x equals 30. Your choices for the answers are choice A, 1, choice B, 2, choice C, 3, and choice D, 5. When you're confident in your answer, post it in comments and I'll share my feedback. Best of luck on this exciting challenge. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.